We have the all-new BACtrack C6. Okay, what we've done is we've taken a police breathalyzer. They're big and expensive. We've shrunk that down, we've kept the accuracy, and we made it consumer-friendly. So this is the latest and greatest. It uses fuel cell sensor technology. Same technology police would use if they pulled you over roadside. So we wanted to make this something that everybody could have. Everybody could keep it in their car, at their house, test yourself, because really, what is 0.08? How many drinks is 0.08 for you? Is it the same number of drinks for me? So here's what we have. We're going to press power. Right now it's warming up. We built a display into this. This is in standalone mode right now, counting down. I'm going to take a big breath. And so now it is calculating my BAC result. It takes a couple of seconds. It pumped a breath sample in through the fuel cell sensor. I am only a 0.015 right now. I had a Heineken, not much else, because I've been busy here. We're showing off the product, but at least a 0.015. So again, it's something everybody can use.